is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. I am shook out of my damn mind. First, it all started with me beating my face down, okay? Then I pulled this wig out of this Beautyforever box. Take me somewhere. I want to go there. Take me somewhere, okay? Absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want to see me install this beautiful glueless wig, this Bye Bye Knots glueless wig, please continue to watch. If you don't think it's glueless, it's glueless. If y'all want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Let's get into this install because you guys, shocked. This hair is so gorgeous. I'm shocked. So we're working with Beautyforever. The face is beat today. Do you see this? I really took my time today. And I did not use any primer or setting spray. It's giving mannequin head, okay? All right, T, let's open this baby up and see what we're working with. First, let's get into the goodies. We have some scalp. This is what you put underneath your lace to blend it in, make it like blend in with your skin. You also get some wig caps, a melting band. Then you get another little baggie, another melting band, wig caps, and some nails. Then we have the wig. Oh my gosh, this wig is long. This is a 24-inch, y'all. It's 24-inch straight 7x5 Bye Bye Knots, okay? All right, first you get your little band, your elastic band to strap onto your wig. All right, so let's get a close-up on the lace real quick. Lace is beautiful. It is pre-plucked. It is pre-bleached, and the lace is pre-cut as well. So it looks phenomenal. Do you see this blend? It is gorgeous. The wig, look at all the parting space. It's 7 to 7 left and right, 5 inches deep, lots and lots of parting room, you guys. I'm definitely keeping the middle bust down part because, excuse me, this is giving extra sleek, okay? But you can definitely do like a deep side part. You can do a C part. You can do a half up, half down. There's so much parting space on here, but I'm doing a middle bust down, okay? Here is the hair. Oh my gosh, this hair. Look at this hair, you guys. Do you see this? Beautiful, natural black, tangle free. Oh my gosh, this hair feels so freaking good. You do have your adjustable straps inside here. And let me go ahead and put this strap on because I'm definitely going to use this because this is a glueless wig. And this will definitely give you some security while you're wearing it. Okay, so I've got these straps in there, nice and secure. Y'all, I think this is gonna be real easy to put on. This is a long 24-inch, so, and it's giving natural, healthy ends. Do you see these ends? Healthy, natural looking ends. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on. I think it's gonna be really easy and simple, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna use it though because as I'm looking at it, it doesn't look dark enough, so I'm not gonna use it. But you just take it off like it's a sticker. You just take that off. And then however you're going to wear the wig, so if I'm wearing it in the middle part, you literally just stick it on underneath the wig and look how pretty, look how natural looking that looks if you put it on underneath. I just think it looks a little bit too light for me, so I'm not gonna use it, but do you see how nice and natural that looks? Okay, I went ahead and put some foundation on the lace. Look how good this lace looks though, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just go ahead and put this baby on. So let me show you guys the back real quick before we even get into it, because I ain't touched no straight hair this good in a very long time. I'm gonna say that, okay? Y'all, this hair is so thin pretty. Oh my gosh. What? Ooh. Oh my God. Stop right now. Between the beat on this face and this hair, what did I do today? What did I do? I hope y'all saw the back of that wig. This hair is so freaking gorgeous, you guys. This wig is so gorgeous. And look, it is still glueless. I did not glue this wig down. It melted beautifully. This hair is just, I ran it through the straightener on each side, probably like 6 times on each side. That's it. I didn't even section it off. I just This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Look how flat it is laying on my head. This wig is, hold on, I'm about to call my man. I'll be right back. Guys, okay, so let me just go over this wig one more time with you guys. This is a glueless 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. It is pre-plucked, it is pre-cut, and pre-bleached, okay? It also comes with this little extra skin that you can put on the lace. I didn't do that. All I did was put some foundation powder. I put my foundation powder and a little bit of my contour powder on the edges and down the part. Did a couple baby hairs. Wig still glueless, and like, look at this hair. Oh my God. I should have did this wig last because I don't want to take this wig off, and I planned on doing like 3 weeks tonight. And listen, plans have changed, okay? You guys need to make sure you guys check out the link in the description box. Make sure you guys get this wig. I barely did anything to this wig. So if you don't run to go get this damn wig, you are crazy. Beautyforever really came through with this bye-bye knots bust. Damn it. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys check out the description box. Drop a comment and let me know how you guys are feeling this hair. Also, let me know how you guys feel about this beat too, because baby, she's beat down, okay? How did I do? Tell me. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.